So this is the FROG TKL by Geonworks. This is the FROG. These are with Gateron golden yellow cap switches. I left the stock spring in there because they sounded pretty good, or felt pretty good, and then I also filmed it with Durock films and used GS2 lube, Durock stabs, done with Dielectric grease and 205D0, and then white on black from EPBT ABS. Let's give this a little go, shall we, chat? Oh. Also with a half plate, FR4 half plate. And 50A tadpoles. So these are Gateron cap switches, dude. These are actually interesting. So I opened these up and I forgot I ordered them.
Oh, thank you, dude.
RX Chaser, thank you so much for the tier 1 for a year. What's going on, dude? Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I know, Chose, it's crazy, dude. That's what I get for living in Greece. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's probably just Greece to Canada. These are interesting, and I'm really excited to put these in the build today. I've heard some great things. Okay, so I've heard a mixed thing with these. I heard that these switches were having some sort of like air issue, because if you guys know anything about these are like done a little differently. They have like some like hole in the middle of the stem, which you guys can kind of see if I do this. Kind of see there's a hole down there, so they're done differently. But yeah, they look like egg yolks. Okay, listen, I'll be honest with you guys. I was looking for green switches, but I don't really like any of the green switches that I have. And then I was looking for something more frog feeling. For some reason, these were more frog feeling. I don't know why. They just felt froggish to me. Dude. Also, I think we'll be using the 50 shore ones. Right? Do you guys want me to use the light tadpoles or the heavier tadpoles? Every streamer's using the froggy hat. Fuck. I'm left out, dude. I fucked up. I didn't get myself a frog hat. I didn't know I needed one. I'm not part of the cool kids club, chat. I didn't realize, dude. I didn't get a frog hat, chat. No one told me, Alex, you need a frog hat to stream this. Nobody told me. Zero people did. Nobody told me. Oh, half plate, chat. That hits different. And we got the other plate, which should be in here. Should be. If not, then we're gonna have a problem, because I'll be missing a plate. All right, we're good. We're gonna do a little mod here quick. This is an FR4 plate. FR4 half plate, if you guys are wondering. By keycap. Usually when I see black plates with gold trim, yeah, usually Chozo is on the money there. What I might have to do though, guys, is I might actually solder in 4 corners for this as well. We're just gonna put a little bit of extra lube in these. Even them up. If you guys want to, this is a good little trick that I usually do on all my boards. Really makes them feel and sound really good. Alright guys, we're done soldering. We are done. We are done. Next up, guys. Next up. GMK, yep. Yep, dude. Alright, so I guess now is the tadpoles. So, we want to use these ones. How do these work again? So I actually have not done this quite yet. Big side sits on the bottom side. Big side push through the plate like this? Does it say like this? Or no, you said like this? Or no, like this? like that. With the bigger part sits on the bottom. Big sits on the bottom side. Bottom of the keyboard, do you mean, Kilo? This is interesting. And you push through them like this. Push through the plate. So like this then. Like this. Am I doing that right? Oh, Kilo with the picture. Thank you, dude. Yep, that's right. Nice, chat. You guys are awesome. Okay, so let's put all these in. So this is the softer one we're putting in now. Alright, chat. Would you guys like to hear a sound test now? Ooh. Okay. The tadpoles chose are the mounting system to go inside. There is an ever so slight bounce to everything. Ever so slight. But, I'm sorry guys, the Y wasn't pushed in all the way. It's not as like bouncy as this, which you can like visibly see move. It's an ever so slight bounce with the half plate, with the tadpoles in there. I really like this. No, it does not feel like a top mount. Definitely doesn't feel like a top mount. Yeah, I can definitely say it does not feel like a top mount. Ooh. Dude, the switches are nice. The Gateron cap switches are actually really nice. Like, they feel consistent. So you can hear, actually, I'll leave the fan on. I'll turn off the music, though. You can hear the bottom out. And then when I release, the higher pitch noise is on the release from the stem hitting the top housing. I would not say this feels like a top mount. This does not feel like a top mount at all. Nor does it sound like a top mount to me. I don't know. I think this is very different from what I'm used to top mounts feeling and sounding like, to be 100% honest. You know? I think it's the cleanest board I've ever seen. This is a really clean keyboard. This is really nice. Well, time to have fun using this. This turned out super awesome. Very, very cool.